Look. 40s. 40. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're opening up the VetPet box. Oh, I can't even see you, Ferdi. He was over here sniffy, sniffs. And now he's going now that I'm actually recording. So I opened this part of it. So this is the unboxing, but it's not the untaping. Even with that open, I'm having a hard time. What the heck? What the heck, Ferdi? What the heck? What's going on? That's weird. I don't know why it's having a hard time opening. There we go. I've had it a few days. It says, snap a picture of your pet. So I think that's actually new. Or maybe it's been there before. They used to tape this. Now it's not taped anymore. Ferdi, he says he appreciates that it's not taped. You're still going to have to wait. Ferdi, you got to wait. You got to wait. Got to wait. No? Okay. Well, they always have useful stuff, so this is about hyperthyroidism. Ferdi's just hyper. He's just hyper because he's young. He's only 3. He turned 3 in April. Well, Ferdi's got a disheveled coat. Okay. Well, Ferdi's okay, I think. Ferdi, come on. Get up. Ferdi. How am I going to get this stuff out? Come on. Get up. Get up. Ferdi, come on. Get up. Get. He's already found a toy. He's already found a toy. I'm going to put the paper under it so we can look at the toys. Here's a look at the toys. Okay, we've got a brush. This might be the first time I've gotten a brush from them. It's an interesting brush. Grip soft. We'll see if this actually works with Ferdi. Ferdi's not a fan of brushes too much. We've got these kind of balls. It's interesting. Cat. Crazies. We already got the crazy cat. JW. Okay. We'll see how that goes. There's a lot of stuff in this. These are Yow catnip. Lady Crinklebug. Catnip toys that actually work. We got 2 of these. Elista's sleeping, so I don't know. Buddy. Ferdi likes these okay, these cat treats. He's okay with them. They don't like these cat treats. They've never liked these. Scrubby Vet No Rinse Bath Mittens. To look that up. Maybe just add water. Interesting. I'll have to, I might use that sometime. Oh, here's another one. What he likes is this. This is what he wants. This is what he wants. You want this too? Hopped Up Harry, the hemp bird. Is that what you want? Looking good, looking good. What is this thing? Ferdi, let me get at it. How can I see it if you keep doing stuffs? Making biscuits, boogie mat. Big mamas. Looks super cute. Looks like a pizza. Is it like a pizza? Saves furniture. Making biscuits. Ferdi, you making biscuits? He doesn't actually do the making biscuits. He doesn't do it. He doesn't do it. No. All right. Alista's still sleeping, so I don't know where she went. Ferdi loves the box. That's what he was wanting. He wants an empty box so he can sit in the box. Yes. That's what he likes, is the box. That would be kind of cool if they would make the box so that at the end you could turn it into something. Right, Ferdi? Each time, if you could turn it into something different, it could be a little bitty house for the Ferdi that he could sleep in. Yes. 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 She's a house that he could sleep in. Okay. So, have a good one. I'm gonna play with Ferdi with the toys. Ferdi, you wanna say bye? You wanna say bye? No? Okay.